have to take collagen. But make sure you're taking the right type of collagen, especially type 1 is the one that is found in skin. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about skin, how to look years younger and keep your skin glowy, nice and tight. The first thing you have to do is do it from the inside out. You have to stay hydrated. Trust me, if you don't drink enough water, it will tell on your skin. I can tell when I'm drinking enough water. So make sure you're hydrated. You can put lemon, cucumber, and the mint in your water if you like, because those have trace minerals that can also help your skin. That's the first thing you have to do. Make sure you're hydrated. The second thing is your skincare. Make sure you're putting the right things on your skin. It doesn't have to be complicated, because I used to shy away from skincare because it's so much. You put this, you put that, you put so many ingredients. Listening to Dr. Horn, it was so simplified and it's so nice that I can actually stay with it. At least I plan to stay with that routine. All you have to do is at night, make sure you cleanse your skin. Cleanse your skin with the right soap. It doesn't have to be complicated. I just use Dove for sensitive skin, because I do have sensitive skin. And make sure your skin is, cleansed properly. And then just apply retinol. Make sure it's not too strong for you. So look into what retinol is good for you. You can ask your dermatologist, but just some type of retinol. And then go to sleep. That's it. You can put moisturizer on top of that if you want. Then in the morning, all you have to do is cleanse your skin again and use vitamin C. And vitamin C is key for the skin. It helps with collagen production and it helps with collagen protection because it's an antioxidant. So you just need to put vitamin C on your skin and then put your sunscreen on top of that. Okay, I'm a believer in sunscreen. At least, even if I don't put it all over my body, I always put sunscreen on my face. So sunscreen protects you from the sun rays. I know there are people that say you don't need sunscreen, the sun is good for you. Yeah, I'm sure the sun is good for you, but I've heard almost all my life that these rays from the sun is damaging to the cell, and that's what can cause skin cancer. So maybe it's overhyped, but at least while using sunscreen, you still do get some sun, but of course not enough to burn your skin. So that's the second thing you have to do. Now the third thing you have to do to maintain that younger looking skin, you have to take collagen. But make sure you're taking the right type of collagen. Especially type 1 is the one that is found in skin. But you can take other collagens too. I think type 2 is for joints or muscle or things like that. So you can even take the combination, because they usually comes in 1, 2, 3, 4. But make sure you're taking collagen. You're taking the right type of collagen. And you're taking enough of it. There's proven studies that collagen helps the skin. Your skin is made up of collagen anyway. I think 70% of your skin is made up of collagen. So you cannot go wrong. But don't use the topical collagen, because a lot of dermatologists have said that is a waste of time. Collagen is a very large protein. If you put it on your skin, it doesn't get absorbed. It doesn't help. But you have to take it so it can work from the inside out. And make sure you're taking the right kind that will be able to be absorbed into your body, because all collagens are not equal. So do your research and make sure you're taking the right type of collagen. Next thing is sleep. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Whenever you're sleeping is when your cells get a chance to turn over. A lot of things happen while you're resting to keep you well. So get enough sleep, because when you're stressed, you're not sleeping enough, it tells on your skin. So give your skin enough time to renew itself, to rebuild itself. Rest your body. Go to sleep. At least 7 hours a night if possible. You may need more, you may need a little less, I don't know, but make sure you're getting enough sleep, because it will help your skin tremendously. Another thing you can do is use a silk pillowcase. It helps you not form wrinkles. So you can do that also. And then finally, you can take omega-3 fatty acids. It helps with your skin as well. And you cannot talk about skin without talking about the food you put in your body. Stay away from sugar, stay away from processed food, because those are major in aging your skin. Yes, they do age your skin. Stay away from those two things as much as possible. And you will see, if you do all this, or at least some of it, in some weeks you can tell a difference in your skin, especially if your skin has been beat down, if your skin is already looking older than it should. Because if your skin is on point, you may not see a lot of difference because your skin will still be on point. But if you have damaged skin and you do these things consistently, consistency is the key. Not you do it today, you don't do it again. Do it consistently for a couple of weeks, you definitely will be able to tell the difference. You start getting compliments, because it happened to me. Like whenever I fall off from taking care of my skin, I can tell, and people can tell. But whenever I'm on top of it, I start getting compliments. So let's stay on top of it. Let's look good, because who doesn't want to look younger? Let's stay on top of our skin health so we can continue to look younger even as we get older. Don't forget to share this video, because a lot of people will need this information. We all want to look good. I haven't seen a single person that say I don't care about how I look. So share this video, and thank you all for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and may God bless you. Bye.